Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, let's talk about something we all struggle with at times: negative self-talk, those harsh thoughts, that inner critic. If you're ready to quiet that voice and build real inner strength, this video is for you. Grab a drink, get comfortable, and let's dive in. First, let's be honest. We all have that voice in our head, the one that says, you're not good enough, you'll fail, why even try? Left unchecked, these thoughts can damage our confidence, relationships, even our health. But here's the truth: you are not your thoughts. You can challenge them, you can change them. Negative self-talk often comes from old wounds, fear, or past criticism. It's trying to protect you by keeping you small, but playing small isn't safe, it's limiting. Step 1, notice the voice. You can't change what you don't see. Start paying attention. When does your inner critic show up? What does it say? Write it down if you can. Awareness is the first step to breaking its power. It might be subtle. I'm so stupid. I can't do anything right. Spot it, name it, don't let it hide. Step 2, challenge it. Ask yourself, is this thought true? Where's the evidence? What would I say to a friend who said this about themselves? You'll often realize these thoughts are exaggerated or outright lies. For example, if you think, I always mess up, ask always, really? What about all the times you did well? You can choose to see the full picture, not just the failures. Step 3, replace it with something kinder. This isn't about fake positivity, it's about balance. Instead of, I'm terrible at this, try, I'm learning. This is hard, but I'm trying. I've overcome challenges before. The way you talk to yourself matters. Your words shape your beliefs. Your beliefs shape your actions. Step 4, practice self-compassion. Talk to yourself like you would a friend. You wouldn't call them worthless for making a mistake. You'd encourage them, support them. Why not do the same for yourself? Try saying, it's okay to make mistakes. I'm doing the best I can. I deserve kindness too. This isn't weakness, it's strength. Step 5, build resilient habits. Negative self-talk thrives in stress and neglect. So care for yourself. Get enough sleep, move your body, connect with people who lift you up, journal, meditate, pray. Your mind needs nurturing just like your body. You don't have to do this alone. Surround yourself with people who remind you of your worth. Seek help if you need it. Counseling, mentorship, community. There's no shame in getting support. Look, this is a journey. Your inner critic might not disappear overnight, but every time you notice it, challenge it, and replace it, you weaken its hold. You build real inner strength. You teach yourself you're worthy of respect from others and from yourself. If this video resonated with you, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more videos on mindset, self-growth, and building the life you deserve. Comment below. What's one negative thought you're ready to let go of? Thanks for watching. Be kind to yourself. You're stronger than you think. See you next time.